Hey, I didn't even know this was a thing until a couple of months ago. These are rechargeable battery operated hand warmers. So these replace the disposable ones, you know, the ones that you shake up and you can put them in your pocket and hold them and then they die after about 8 hours. So never again are you going to have to run out of heat. So all you do to turn these on is long press the power button and it's going to go ahead and fire up. We've got 3 heat settings. We're on setting number 1. It's going to start off really quick at about 104 degrees. Look at that right away. We went up 20 degrees just like that as soon as we turned it on, okay? It's gonna start at 104 and go to about 113, but let's go ahead and let's put it on high. We're gonna go right to high, and I'm gonna show you in real time how quick. We're gonna go from 104, look, and this says that it will go up to 130 degrees, 26 degrees. It's very cold outside. I've got these hand warmers fired up in my pocket. And we're gonna go ahead and stick this in there. We're gonna get a temperature reading. Let me find it. Okay, so inside the pocket, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. 100 degrees inside this pocket. These work great. They really are a game changer. I mean, I don't have to buy any of the disposable hand warmers ever again. These get super hot if you want them to get hot, or you can keep them on a lower setting, put them in and around your body. They really are a lifesaver, especially when you're getting cold outside. Who wants to be cold? I absolutely hate it. They work very good. It's gonna make a great gift. Also, check this out. Look at this box that they give you. I mean, it's already wrapped up pretty much for you. It's a really great display, so it's gonna make a great gift. If not a gift, get this for yourself. I think you guys are gonna like this one. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.